So, what is a sandwich course, a part-time course, a full-time course, and like a practice year, foundation year course? So, first we go to a sandwich. So, sandwich course is what I do, which is a 3-year course with a placement year. So we'll have first year, second year, and do my placement, which I go away and work for a company, and then come back for my final year. A foundation year course is where before you start the 3 or 4 year course, you have a year at the university to kind of prove you can do the course. So, for example, if I do computing, I may do computing basics to say, look, I can do computing and I'm ready to go to university to do computing. I believe international students come and do a foundation year in kind of English basics. So they'll come and do a year where they'll basically learn English, learn about the English culture, etc., and then go to their course. A part-time course is when you come in part-time to university. So I believe it's a longer course. I think it's 6 years. So you don't do as many hours or work as the full-time course. And then the full-time course, which is basically a sandwich course, is when you come to university every single day, well, depending on your timetable, come to university full time and study.